How to fix Valorant Battlepass purchase failed error. Here are some tips that would help fix Valorant Battlepass purchase failed error. 1. Try restarting the Valorant app, for a few times later. 2. Restart your PC. 3. Remove, using the recommended uninstall tool Pro in this video guide, and reinstall the Valorant as admin, later. 4. Check if Valorant has been blocked by your security software or firewall. If so, whitelist Valorant in your computer firewall settings. 5. Submit a ticket to Riot Games support team.